And winners will just take a quick little spin to see what's in there. Oh man, you're good, man. Used to be a KFC down here, but I don't see it anymore. So I guess it's gone. Outfit for work and stuff. Same thing. Hard hat, everything. You see the sign of that. Want a suitcase? Yeah. Suitcase factory. Big up yourself, man. Alright, respect. Convenience store. That's the place. And then down here you have a library. That's down here too. I didn't even remember what this library downstairs in Sheridan Mall. But guys come in and you know, quick and easy. And you come and you sit quiet and you read your book on the computer or whatever. Beauty spot. I'll come back to them. Know that there was this banking center was down here. I'm just exploring places for you guys. Might throw me out, might not throw me out. Hallway. Look like dead end. But I'm just exploring, guys. Let's view this spot. Pharmacy. There's health food store. Come and get your supplement, stuff like that for your shake. Nice shoes. You have the dressing shoes, you have the runners, everything. So they're nice. A nice purse up there for your wife and stuff too. Oh, only thing is I don't see the name of the store. Nice summer slippers. That's nice too. They have some nice stuff. Only thing is I don't see the name of the store. I don't see the name yet. Maybe on the inside. Once I go in, maybe I'll see it. Oh, there it is. Wow. But it's got all shoes, but they have some nice shoes. Hello. Good, how are you? You don't mind me, I'm just vlogging. But you have some nice stuff. You're welcome. Don't worry, I'm not showing your face. But some nice stuff. And I'll show you the name of this store again. But they have some nice stuff. I like the men's shoes, them and stuff over here. Here they are from the inside now. Really nice. Dressing shoes, running shoes, everything. Purses for your wife. This bad boys. And what's the name of the store?
All shoes.
Okay, you heard it from them, but you don't see them. Okay? All shoes, that's what they're called. But they have some nice stuff. Very nice. Kids shoes and everything too. Over here some nice purse. I know my wife would like that one up there. As those are her color. Oh, look at this one too, guys. Very nice.